Hello and welcome. Today's going to be kind of like a part 3 to the 0 RPM fix. The last video I did was Adrenalin 2020, and I just have to take a moment here to thank everybody that's been leaving comments in all my videos. They're extremely helpful, and it's really cool that you guys are helping other people, even though I have a really small channel and you're still taking your time to do it. So a user down here, if I can find his name, I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry. This guy here suggested to turn off fast start on Windows, and yesterday, from the date of this video, Thomas Webster also suggested it. And what this will do is after you follow this video or whatever and you make a profile, the next time you restart your computer, if you disable Windows fast start, it'll automatically put the settings back in. Like this guy said here, there's obviously an issue with Windows fast start. Other people have suggested things too. If you read my comments, if you don't even see the 57, if you have a 5700 and you don't even see the 0 RPM, you can do the WHQL things. You maybe have to ask him how to do it because I'm not too sure. And another guy posted somewhere in here with an actual tool where you can edit your bias if you have the 5700 to enable the 0 RPM. I'm not going to get into that because I have no idea. I don't have the 5700. And this video is just going to be basically showing you how to do a more permanent fix for the 0 RPM if you're like me and you need it to be enabled every time you start your computer and you don't want to go through the process I did in this video of having to do it every single time you start your computer. Alright, before I show you the next step, how to disable the fast start, I'm just going to quickly show you this. I'm not going to get into detail. You can watch my other video, but I'll just include this so you don't have to technically watch the other video to get to this or whatever. So open up your Radeon, go to Performance, go to Tuning, and you want to go to Manual. If it's set to Automatic, click Manual. For fan tuning, you want to click on this guy here. For your 0 RPM, you want to set it to disable if it was already on enabled. So just uncheck this guy. And then for advanced control, click here. And then here you can just set up your settings. So you can watch my other video. I get into a little bit more detail about it. Basically, a quick thing about it is my fan will kick into high about 57. So if you want to fine tune it, you can go here and do stuff like that as well, and then apply your changes, then save your profile, and I'll just call it fast start 2, and then that's it. Alright, so now I'll show you how to disable fast start. So what you'll want to do is go to your power options. So if you have Windows Classic, you can just go to Control Panel and go to Power Options. If you have don't have Windows Classic, I'll just turn that off. Right click on your Start button, go to Run. There's lots of different ways to get into your power options. I'm just showing you this way. Type Control Panel and push Enter. Now go to your power options. And then it's under choose what the power buttons do. So click on this guy. And here you'll notice turn on fast start recommended. So this is the issue that Thomas had pointed out and many others as well. It's obvious it's this because they are correct that if you disable this, your settings will be held in place. So to get to this, just click on this. Then click uncheck turn on fast start recommended and save changes. So I have an SSD, and probably a lot of people do, so you're not really going to notice any huge differences by unchecking that. But if you have a slower computer, you might actually have longer boot times. So you might not want to do it. You might want to do it the longer way each time. Personally, I'd rather have it do it on its own, just in case I forget or something like that. So that's about it for this video, guys. Again, thank you so much for taking time to comment in all my videos. It's really cool that you guys go out of your way to do that. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe, please. And that's it.